Check the dimensional correctness of the equation S is equal to ut plus half at square. Here S stands for distance. So the dimension of distance is L. U stands for initial velocity. The dimension for velocity is Lt raised to minus 1. T stands for time period. So it is T. A stands for acceleration. So it is Lt raised to minus 2. Now applying the dimensions in the above equation, I'll take the left hand side of the equation. LHS is equal to S, which is having the dimension L. Taking the right hand side of the equation, RHS is equal to UT plus half AT square. Applying the dimensions, for U it is LT raised to minus 1. For T it is capital T. For half is having no dimension. For A it is LT raised to minus 2. For T it is T the whole square. Now we can add the powers of the like terms. So here it is L, T raised to minus 1 and T. So it is only L. Plus here it is T raised to minus 2 and T square. So here it is also what? L. So you can see all the terms of the equations are having the same dimension. So we can write LHS is equal to RHS. So the equation is dimensionally correct.